Now we will discuss the MCQs of your exercise. So the first MCQ is the neuron net of hydra lacks neuron dendrites connection direction of impulse flow. The right option is option D, direction of the impulse flow. Second है a nerve is a collection of neuron, collection of dendrites and axons, bundle of axons or dendrites of neuron, bundles of dendrites or axons bounded by connective tissue. The right option is option D, bundles of dendrites and axons bounded by the connective tissues. Third है thyroid gland produce option A T3, T4 and calcitonin, option B calcitonin, option C triiodothyronine, option D tetraiodothyronine. The right option is option A T3, T4 and calcitonin. Fourth है what is the number of cranial and spinal nerves in man? Option A 12 and 31, option B 24 and 62, option C both A and B and option D none of the above. The right option is option A 12 and 31. Fifth है the one which is not related to other is cretinism, B myxedema, C exophthalmic goiter, D diabetes mellitus. The right option है option D diabetes mellitus. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हो गए. In the next video we will discuss the short questions. Thank you.